Write the ratio of the first measurement to the second measurement. The thing you need to know is that the ratios need to be the same units. So what we're going to do is we're going to say length of racket, oops, over length of paddle. And then we'll put in the numbers exactly as they're given. Okay, length of racket is 2 feet 4 inches, and the length of the paddle is 10 inches. Now what we need to do is convert the number of feet into inches and then add those extra 4 inches. So 2 feet times, let's see, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And of course, feet and feet cancel out, and we're left with 24 inches. Okay? That means that, excuse me, that means that this amount is equal to 24 inches. So we have 24 inches there plus the other 4 inches, because it said 2 feet 4 inches, is 28 inches over 10 inches. And when we simplify that, we simplify it in 2 ways. Not only do we simplify by dividing these by 2, but we also simplify by canceling out the units inches and inches. And what we get as a result is a ratio of 14 over 5. And that's the final answer.